Hello everyone! So if you want to enable or disable RCS chats on your Realme C67, first of all, where to locate our messages application. It's right here. Now at the top right corner, you are to find your account icon. Now simply tap on it. Choose your message settings option. In your message settings, we are to find our RCS chat is the first step. So choose it. Now, to turn on RCS chats, you are simply to tap on the switch near them. And basically, that's it. Now they're turned on. If you want to turn off your RCS chats, once again, simply tap on the switch, confirm your choice by pressing turn off, and they will be turned off. When you make these changes, a confirmation message will appear on the screen, how just I showed you, so don't miss it. Keep in mind that sometimes adjustment might be needed to ensure that messages are sent as SMS when RCS is unavailable. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.